Welcome to E-Tech Engineering. We specialize in manufacturing stationary cranes. Let's have a brief look at our 10 meters standard reach stationary crane. Electrically operated, hydraulically actuated, sold along with a 0.6 cubic meter, versatile orange peel grab, this quick-acting radial loader promises to save those megawatts which are lost due to slow charging of the furnace. To lift loads from farther away, use our 12-meter, long-reach, stationary crane. Loads placed even farther away can be lifted using our 14-meter, extra long-reach, stationary crane. Experience the difference with every inch of our cranes engineered to perfection. Superior build quality, minimized breakdowns, and quick servicing are our key attributes towards E-Tech's effective material handling. Consult us today.